Are you ready to get pre-qualified for a top-tier credit card without impacting your credit score? Well, it could lead to around 10, 20, or who knows, $25,000 worth of credit limit. Look at this. See if you are pre-qualified for a Citibank. Yes, this is the top tier credit card, and getting started is fast and easy. Checking your eligibility won't impact your credit score. Remember, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide how you can fill out the application, how you can get pre-qualified without impacting your credit score. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products. But just imagine getting pre-qualified, and this is a very important video for anyone who wants to get a credit card from top tier bank like Citibank. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check, and you can get that loan even if you have bad, worst, or no credit at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And please don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Let's start. Well, this is Citibank offer, and Citibank says that see if you are pre-qualified, getting started is fast and easy. Checking your eligibility will not impact your credit score. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how you can fill out the application. I'm actually going to show you the whole application, so make sure you stay with us till the end. They have some great cards. I personally carry Citibank card as well. I have the top tier card, by the way, and I started with the basic one, and this is a great bank. I actually use Citibank card for many of my transactions because of the cashback and a number of advantages. Well, you can see as they have balance transfer card, they have AA advantage bonus where you actually use it for miles, and you can actually earn $325 the check-in bonus if you open a checking account with them. That's a topic of a different video. I'm actually going to make a video where I'll actually compare the check-in account bonuses, because this is simply free money for a number of Americans who are struggling right now in this inflation. So getting free money is something that you can actually avail. Right here they say choose the right Citi credit card for you, whether you want cashback, low intro rate rewards for Costco members, or great airline miles. The choice is yours. I do have the Citi Costco card. I never knew there was a Citi card, and then it became a Citi card, and this is one of my favorite cards right here. This is double cash card, and I pretty much earn 2% on everything. So you need to understand that this is great. And how they actually made it, well, they said that you can get 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay. So whenever I pay my bill, I get 1% back. So in total I get 2%. Never ever carry a balance in any of the cards. It comes with a hefty APR, and I'm pretty sure that Citi has some new offers. This can actually give you up to 18 months of zero APR. Means for 18 months you can carry a balance, but you need to understand that carrying a balance is never recommended. So only get the credit card when you feel like that you can afford one, because it comes with an APR. 18 months of course is a big or a long time, but you need to understand that after 18 months there's going to be APR, and it's going to be higher. Well, it's not high as the payday loans, but it's going to be higher. So now let's see that how it works. So let me click on learn more, and it will actually open the pre-qualification application. And right here I need to show you something super important. I personally love this credit card company, or you can say financial company. Why? Because they can actually pre-qualify you for Citi card with no impact to your credit score. But one thing you need to understand, and this is super important, this is also a disclaimer. Well, this is a pre-qualification, not pre-approval. Pre-qualification means that they'll see your credit score. It will not impact your credit score. It's going to be a soft pull, means there will be no impact to your credit. But what's going to happen, they'll see your financial report and they'll assume that you'll be approved for a credit card from them. But again, remember, it's not a pre-approval, it's pre-qualification. Pre-approval means pretty much guaranteed. They'll see your credit as a soft pull and they say, okay, we are sure that you're going to get the credit card. But when it comes to pre-qualification, I sometimes call it a little bit of a gimmick to actually get your information, and they want to see that whether you're eligible or not. But most of the times, in my point of view, you get the credit card, but in many instances, when you know that your credit is bad or probably on the fair side, it might not be possible for you to get a credit card even if you pre-qualify for a card. So please do your own research before you apply for any of the credit product. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not a financial advisor, so you have to do your own research before you apply for any of the credit product that you see right here on Credit Oaks or any other channel, by the way, on this platform or any platform. So right here is the application in front of you. They said that we need your personal information. Of course, they always need one. They need your first name, your last name, your email address, the 4 digits of your social security number, ITIN number. Let me just tell you, a number of people don't know about it, but whenever any company asks for your 4 digits, it's usually a soft pull. What it means it will not impact your credit score. They will check your credit, but with a soft pull means there will be no change to your credit score. But once you get pre-qualified and you approve their offer or something, and let's say that if you get approved for it or not approved for it, means they deny you or something, they will do a hard pull when you approve their offer. So keep this in mind. Now they ask for the street address, and when it comes to the street address, you need to understand that street address is something that should be associated with your credit report. I always recommend people or advise people to put the street address or your whole home address or apartment address that actually is present on your credit report currently, because they actually pull your data from your credit report. So if your street address or your home address or your apartment address is different, they might not be able to give you any sort of decision. So keep this in mind. Then your zip code, your city, and the state. Though I live in Texas, so I'm gonna put Texas right here just for one step right here. So just want to do it so it works. Texas, I can see whenever I see Texas, I'm a Texan. But as American and as a content creator on Credit Oaks, I love all of you. So thank you so much for all of your support. Then you can click right here, I authorize Citi to obtain credit report on me if I'm pre-qualified for any credit card offers. I understand it will not impact or affect my credit score. I understand that this is not a credit card application and that I received pre-qualified offer for a credit card. Now this is the part you need to see. Let me just zoom in so you can see it properly. Let me just read it again. I authorize Citi to obtain a credit report on me to determine if I'm pre-qualified for any credit card offer. I understand that this will not affect my credit score. I also understand that this is not a credit card application, and that if I receive pre-qualified offer for a credit card, I'm not guaranteed to get approved for a credit card. Pre-qualified offers are made available at Citi's discretion, and customers are not evaluated against all Citi credit cards for pre-qualified offer. This is what I meant. This is pre-qualification. This is not pre-approval. So keep this in mind. Then you can click on see offers, and again this states right here, this will not affect your credit score. Remember that this is not pre-approval, this is pre-qualification. So keep this in mind. Remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check, and you can get that personal loan with bad, worst, or poor, or no credit at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of the video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.